Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today we're working on November. Today I'm going to be using permanent markers from Sharpie and probably Crayola. Here they both are, so you know the difference. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now first I'm going to start with the cinnamon sticks. Hopefully I can see some of the line art underneath. This color is quite dark. But this one actually has a name. It is Spice of Life. See, Crayola knows how to label their products. I wish Sharpie would. That would be nice, because then I wouldn't be so lost as to which color I'm looking for or trying to grab. Alright, I'm going to be using this liner. It is the Fudonosuke Soft One Off Brush Pen. And I might be outlining as we go instead of having like a section where I do outlines. I might, you know, forget where the lines were if I color it all and then go back. Now I thought about like doing some blending and shading, but I decided against that because that might take too long. So we're just gonna go for solid colors this time. Now I will do some varying colors though, like make some of the apples orange and some of them red. Well, that's more like a red-orange, almost tomato-like. Might have been the wrong choice, but it's okay. And here I'm going to be pulling in a lot of my skin tone Sharpies that I got not too long ago to color in some of this, because there's going to be a lot of browns on this, I think. Like on these walnuts. Now I think this pie here is actually sitting in like a tin or something. But I might not color it like that. Yeah, I'm not used to brand new Sharpies, so like it just colors a lot differently than the ones that are worn down and have been in my collection for years. Now I'm assuming this is like an apple pie since there are apples on the table and cinnamon sticks. So I'll make the filling that like kind of concoction color. Would you focus? I'm also going to use it for the outer color as well. I don't know, maybe I will put the pie in like a tin to break up the brownness. I actually think the Crayola color on this paper are better than the Sharpies do. In case anyone was wondering. It might seem like I'm coloring these in wrong, but there's folds, so I'm just assuming there's a white one in between each of these. I was considering making the silverware be gold colors, but because I made the pan that gray color, I felt like I needed more cool colors to mix in. Alright, here comes the part I'm gonna regret, is coloring the tablecloth yellow. Now, honestly, I don't know what some of these lines are for. Like, I know this is shadow, that shadow, that shadow. I don't know what this one is cutting across. So we're gonna ignore it. That liner pen I'm using does not like Sharpie very much. Good thing I didn't actually end up going over too much of the line art before I was done coloring. I'm gonna use this color for the extra shading, because yellow will make it a lot warmer looking than it really is. It's actually like a purpley blue color, in case anyone was curious as to what this color really was. Time to finish up the line work. I like how I just have a secret tomato pretending to be an apple. Like, does everyone's silverware have the same design on it? I'm pretty sure my silverware used to have this design on it, if it doesn't still. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna do outlines on the shadows, and I still don't know what these two lines here are. I'm just gonna, like, ignore it. But, yeah. I am all done. That's gonna be it for me. Let's go ahead and take a look at it first for, signing off here. If you want to see more DIY calendar pages, you can go ahead and click the link here. And if you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can go ahead and click the link here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube-y things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!